GT all the time.
No.
Okay?
No,
GT.
no.
Guyanese.
No, hear me and say no.
Number one.
No, hear me and say no.
Go ahead.
Yeah, may I ask the good lady them, who is the best? Who is the best Caribbean men? For the man them, oh see there?
Jamaican.
It's the Jamaica man them. So hold on. So here's my question.
Man them, cause we get some long cock. Right? So GT man them all the time. Our best career man. Go ahead. Let me see what you got to say.
Alright, cool. So you're representing for the GT man them. So here's my question. Who are the best Caribbean girl them?
Oh, best Caribbean GT woman them. All the time. GT man because we get some long cock. And all the time is GT all the time. Not much to say. Go ahead. What you got to say there?
Oh, she said she want to see.
Can we see?
I mean, people that don't know says your boy Yaadman Etan, and we are live at Soca is Life. Now, I have a confession from my Jamaican people. All right, I love soca music. Is it me? I say I have to support anything Caribbean. So hear me, I say, man, we there at Bliss Lounge out here, Stone Mountain, Georgia. Yo, area man, to add a little extra fun to this, I'm going to do a little public interview. I'm going to ask the people them which Caribbean man or woman them like the best. Alright, ready for this? Oh, and yo, for audio, for like people who wearing headphones, this might get a little bit loud because we're going in the club. Alright, so you can't say me never warn you.
Yaadman Etan and the team, big up.
Alright, so what's your name, boss?
Cuba.
What's your name, boss?
Mr. Max.
Alright, so Mr. Max, where you from?
America, but Trinity and Grenadian background.
Alright, one thing, where you from, boss?
Trinidad, boss.
Alright, so what's your name?
Angelica.
So please, introduce yourself, because I know say, me already know you, isn't me? But please, introduce yourself to the people them who are following me, isn't me?
Imani Ray, the girl come again, yeah.
Yo, so Imani, how long we supposed to link up now?
Since Peruvian Fest, how long that's been?
It's like September, the end of September. So people, Imani said, man, get used to her face, alright? Get used to Imani face. Yo, people them say, they don't know, say, yeah, man, there, and look who me run into.
What going on is TriniKing here coming to you tonight.
Yeah.
I got a little tipsy, so don't mind my little slip.
Yeah, man, I understand. The whole of the tipsy right now, brother, so I completely understand. Yeah, what your name, brother?
Prince.
Excellent, Yaadman Etan. This is Trinidad man, Erphaan, big up yourself. Bumper like rain, say long time this are over the say long time this are over the don't know Erphaan has endorsed it. Yaadman Etan, blessings from Erphaan. Excellent.
Yo, brother. I best you introduce yourself to the people that me know.
Right then. Hey, what's going on, Atlanta? It's your boy with Daddy Strings, representing Antigua and Barbuda, and I'm out here. Yeah.
So, brother, what was that? Tell the people them a while ago. Wait a while ago.
Yeah, I was playing Year for Love by Voice, just giving you all like a preview of the live performance and so on, and yeah. So just warming up and so on, you gotta keep your fingers cool, and that's what you gotta do. Yeah?
Of course. So here's what we're doing for the night, right?
Yeah, we're going.
So I'm going over to people, I mean, I ask them, yo, straight up. So, what the baddest Caribbean girl?
For the baddest one?
Yeah.
Oh, Shensio. Easy, just Shensio. One time, so.
Say love the Jamaican girl them.
I love all my Caribbean women and them all the way from Jamaica come down to Trinidad.
All right. So you have no favorites or preferences?
Boy, that's an excellent question. I love a woman who can handle herself, you understand, and so on. Must can wine, must be able to take care of me and all of them things. Same how I take care of you. So, no preference and thing and so on.
It's me like how you keep it PC, you don't want to give a straight answer which Caribbean girl you like the most, I know say you don't want your Antiguan girl them run it down and say, yo, what about they say a while ago?
Jesus Christ, yo, big up to my Antiguan girl and them around the time, but enough love and so on, all the respect.
Alright, go understand.
They keep far from down.
Of course, alright, yo, my dolly strings.
No problem, dog.
Of course.
Big up to Yaadman Etan, you're out here working hard. I see this youth. Big things coming for this man over here.
Yo, respect, brother, respect. So, what's your favorite Caribbean country?
Guyana.
Guyana. So, what's your favorite Caribbean man?
I plead the fifth. I don't know.
So, why you have to keep it so PC? I feel like you have a Guyanese man, back in your yard,
Pretty much.
Pretty much?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, so that's how go on.
Yeah, that's what's going on.
Alright. So, what you say? Your Guyanese man come with you?
No.
So, you can find another Guyanese man tonight?
No, I'm good.
A Jamaican, maybe?
No. If anything, African.
Thing, baby, come, let me give you this unripe plantain, this big plantain, man. Let me give you this thing.
Alright. So, I have a question for the man them. Alright, so, be honest with me, alright? Which is your favorite Caribbean girl?
Woo, we gotta go my home team, Trinidad, is it?
The Trinidad girl are baddest.
The baddest.
Yo, me never experienced a Trinidad girl,
Listen out, boy. What are you doing there?
Come on, try go to Trinidad Carnival, Wait.
Let me go.
Yeah, we gotta go.
Ticket for you, though. You gotta go for that.
Alright, one thing. So, favorite Caribbean girl?
Yeah, Trini, same thing.
Trinidad, same thing?
Same thing, yeah. Cuba done said the whole thing and wrap it up, you know what I mean?
So, hold on. So, may I try to understand what's so special about the Trinidad girl, them?
Listen. Are you hear the Soca playing in the background now?
Yeah.
All these Trini women there, their waistline so sweet, boy. Oh, gosh. It's not compared to that.
Wait, the waistline sweet?
Very. You ain't been to a Trini Carnival yet, or?
So, hold on. You taste the waistline?
Taste the waistline. Nah. Bad man don't do them things, dog.
Alright, so ready? Who the best Caribbean man? Go.
The what? You.
Best
Yaadman.
One more clap.
Turn me on!
You thought you was gonna catch me off guard.
Alright, man, to hear that people, Imani Ray say me the best Caribbean man. You see that there? Yo, Yaadman them, we have a chance.
Yes.
Who are the baddest Caribbean girl? Where them come from?
All you can say that I'm biased, but I have to say Trinidad and Tobago. Baddest girls coming from Trinidad and Tobago.
Cause TriniKing, I know say you have experience with Woolly Caribbean girl in the dog.
Of course, all kind of different Caribbean girls, and I'll tell you this, it always come back to my Trinidad girls source. It's number one. Don't get me wrong, West Indian girls in general, sexy, beautiful, all of the above. But I love my Trinis.
Brother, I said them wild dog because I hear people are warming about them Trinidad girl in the dog.
They're beautiful. But viewer discretion is advised. You better be warned. Don't say I ain't warned you. Trini girls dangerous horse.
Alright, may I take the advice from TriniKing. So brother, my question was to you, who are the baddest Caribbean girl them dog?
Of course I have to say Grenadians away.
Grenadians?
Of course. Job. The original job.
So what you say, you have experience with some Grenadian girl, that's true?
Yeah. That's where I born.
Yeah. So how them say? Them wild?
All I go say is when you come to Grenada for a job, you never, you see? It's the Grenada. You're never leaving, is it?
Alright, well, I guess I have to go to Grenada for find this out, is it me?
Trinidad is the only place where you can get sweet doubles and sweet girls at the same time.
Erphaan within the building, and here's a question I'm asking everybody tonight. I want you to be honest with it. I know, say, he's a celebrity and all them things, but we need to know the truth. Who are the baddest Caribbean girl? Which country? Go.
Sorry. But everybody else, but Trinidad and Tobago, and as I said in the show, Trinidad and Tobago.
I'm from?
Vinci. Yes.
St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
Alright, so here's my question for you right now. Alright, so cool. What the best Caribbean man? Go.
Vinci, of course.
Vinci
they could
man
cook. They hold a woman down. They're good in bed. You can't ask for nothing else. They're the whole package. That's an answer, hands down.
So when you say whole package, so what type of package did Jamaica man them need to get the whole package?
See, they need to calm down a little bit, eh?
I don't understand what you mean calm down a little bit.
They gotta calm down a little bit.
What do you mean by calm down a little bit?
Sometimes they're a bit too much.
How?
See, one, they just get a little too possessive sometimes, eh? They want a woman, yes, I understand. You get your woman for yourself, but they want to keep hold, she just for themselves, eh? You know, Caribbean woman like to be free, but they gonna respect you, so you know, you see what you're doing?
Oh, me don't know what you talk about. Me don't know what you talk about.
It's the same thing
Me don't know what you talk about.
They don't know how to act.
Wait.
But you know what, I love my Jamaican men too, eh? Mwah.
Yo, people, you see me right now, I'm gonna have to take off my jacket, cause sweat up a beer, Gyal wine and all them things that dog. What? Yo, Soca is life. I really rate the movements, you see me? I'm glad, so even though they are foreign, I still give a party and move with my Caribbean people there, you see me, I say. So hold on, yo, turn the camera over here so real quick. So hello ladies, how are you doing tonight? How are you doing tonight?
You take the drunkest person. Okay. Bye.
Okay, bye. Alright, so cool. So here's a question I'm asking. Alright, cool. So, what the best Caribbean man? Go.
Best Caribbean man, hold on.
What is what?
Best Caribbean man?
No, for you, man, I'm gonna ask you.
GT all the time.
No.
Okay?
No,
GT.
no.
Guyanese.
No, hear me and say no.
One.
No, hear me and say no. Yeah, may I ask the good lady them, who is the best? Who is the best Caribbean men? For the man them, see there?
Jamaican.
Yes, the Jamaica man them. So hold on. So here's my question.
Man them, cause we get some long cock. Right? So GT man them all the time. Our best Caribbean man. Go ahead. Let me see what you got to say.
Alright, cool. So you're representing for the GT man them. So here's my question. Who are the best Caribbean girl them?
Oh, best Caribbean GT woman them. All the time. GT man because we get some long cock. And all the time is GT all the time. Not much to say. Go ahead. What you got to say there?
Oh, she said she wanted to see. Can we